This is a Singer Model 99 from about 1953. We're going to thread the machine. We put the larger bobbin on the back with the thread coming off the back side toward us. We're going to raise take-up lever number 5 to its highest point. Then we're going to load the thread through the guide number 1 over the top, down to the right, and between the tension discs under, and then through the loop. It's very difficult to see, but this loop, going to come underneath this loop of the hard to see tension regulator and over the tension regulator, then down underneath this thread guide, not through the hole. There's a hole here, not through the hole, but underneath, then up through the take-up lever here, then down through guide number 6 in the front, and then this wire guide down near the needle, go behind it, and then down through the front of the needle toward the back. We're now going to load the bobbin, and what's important to know is that the thread is coming off the bobbin counterclockwise. And then once we place the bobbin in its holder, there's a deep groove and then a very shallow groove. We're going to be using both. When we place the bobbin in its holder, we're going to first bring the thread out of the deep groove and then around the top edge, outside edge, and it's going to just lay in that top shallow groove coming toward the needle. Let's give that a try here. It's going to want to go into that deep thread right away, or deep slot right away. And then we're going to come around and just lay it into that shallow, we're going backwards. And then we're going to lay it into that shallow groove. And we're going to close the door, if you will. Once I shut the door on that bobbin thread, I'm going to pull maybe 3 inches out. And I'm going to pull about 4 inches out of the top thread. I'm going to hand crank the machine and hold a little bit of tension on that top thread. I'm going to feel it give, and it's going to pull the bottom thread out with it. I'm going to take something like a knife and I'm going to catch both threads and pull them backwards. And now it's ready to go. So let's give it a try. There it is. So give that a shot. See if that works for you.